At Yulu, I really enjoy the freedom that I get to do things my own way. I can make my own decisions and execute them in my way as long as things are getting done in time. Yulu has a bunch of amazing and marquee investors, and my day-to-day job involves maintaining good relations with them and sending them data as and when required. One of the key things that I did was scouting for a new investor for our Series A. So looking for an investor, telling them about our company and getting them on board was the favorite project that I did. Being part of a small team, I have had the chance to work closely with all the co-founders. This has really helped me acquire a lot of things, including leadership skills. Also, I have learned the importance of first principle thinking while at my time here. I've always been pro sustainability, and I think it's the little things that count. So instead of using a plastic straw, I always carry a bamboo straw with myself so that I don't use unnecessary plastic. Yulu is an organization which at its core is trying to curb CO2 emissions. And this makes me feel, this gives me a lot of job satisfaction because I'm working in an organization which matches my goals.
I lead investor relations at Yulu. This Women's Day, I choose to challenge